Ay caramba, it's getting caliente out there. So it's important we get your sprinklers fixed, repaired, serviced. Give us a call because it's getting caliente and your grass will die in this heat if your sprinklers aren't working. If you need sprinklers, we can install those too, by the way. It's important for us to maintenance your sprinklers at least every quarter of the year. That's 4 times a year for you Pittsburgh Steelers fans. So make sure you give us a call, 214-702-1902, or go to our website, onpointdfw.com, onpointdfw.com, and get your sprinklers serviced, repaired, maintenance. We do all that. We are coming up with a new maintenance plan, and that'll be emailed to you soon. So check us out. Go to the website. Get on the service because it is caliente.